Craving street tacos but short on time? These Tex-Mex Street-Style Tacos skip the marinade because dinner should be easy and delicious with big flavor in every bite. Stay tuned, this will be mouth-watering. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making easy street-style tacos, served hot, fast, and packed with flavor. There's nothing like the real thing, but today we're switching it up to keep things simple. Traditionally, street tacos are made with tough cuts of meat that are marinated for hours and cooked over a hot grill. But as a busy mom, I don't always have time for that. So today I'm showing you my shortcut. We're using tender sirloin steak, but any soft cut will work. And we will season it with our Tex-Mex at Home Beef Fajita Seasoning. Quick, easy, and still packed with flavor. And if you like a little kick, we've got a spicy version for you too. So like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Now let's get cooking. Here's what you will need for today. 2 pounds of diced beef, any soft cut of your choice. 1 packet of Tex-Mex at Home Beef Fajita Seasoning. 1 tablespoon of oil. Street taco size corn tortillas, salsa, and toppings of your choice. We cut our meat into small cubes, not too big, not too tiny. You want them just the right size so they brown up nicely and soak in all the seasoning without overcooking. You can slice the meat into thin strips if you prefer. Both work great, but for street tacos, cube meat is the way to go. It gives you those little crispy edges in every bite. We set our heat to medium, and we add 1 tablespoon of oil to our skillet. And now that our skillet is hot, we're going to add our beef. We cubed our beef small enough so that you can sear all sides of your beef. And you hear that sizzle? That means it's searing, and that's exactly what you want to hear. We're going to be cooking this for 3 to 5 minutes. Cooking this reminds me of the nights my aunts and uncles in 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭 would take me out to taco stands when I spent my summers in Mexico. Our meat is now ready for the seasoning. Traditionally, in taco stands, they cook the meat to be a little bit crispy, but I like mine to be done just medium well. Now we stir everything, making sure that all our meat is covered in our seasoning. And there we go. And we cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. This seasoning opens with warm, smoky notes of chili and cumin, layered with savory garlic and onion. It's bold and earthy, full of deep, comforting flavor. As it cooks, it caramelizes beautifully, giving the meat a rich, toasty finish with a subtle citrusy lift. It's Tex-Mex flavor, perfect for the whole family. Our meat is ready, so now we're going to put it in a bowl so we can make our tacos. Grab your tortilla and fill it up. I made my tortillas from scratch, but you can always find them at any grocery store. I like to top my tacos with onion and cilantro and salsa. And there you have it, Tex-Mex Street-Style Tacos, made fast, easy, and right in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!